Welcome everybody to our 405 number one chart of the day. And you might think it's NVIDIA, but it's not. I'm going to share with you what was the number one chart off of our trading desk today. We'll make this quick and I'll see you all again tomorrow to wrap it up. And on Sunday night, don't forget, we do our weekend review where we go over all these charts to watch. We go over charts that are in focus on our desk, stocks that are in focus, and then we go over stocks that we're buying on the desk. And we do that for you Sunday night, 7 p.m. Eastern time after futures open at 6. So we get an idea of what we're looking at for Monday morning. And we'll go over the macro picture and then what are the stocks to watch? What are the stocks in focus on our trading desk? And what are the stocks to buy? We'll do all of that Sunday at 7 o'clock. So now I'm going to share with you the number one stock on our trading desk. And I'm going to ask you a question to think about before you make any investments, right? First of all, let's remember, this is a virtual hedge fund experience. So ARMR insiders spend their whole day on the desk with me, and we're talking about these ideas and we're trading together. We're using algorithms to execute. We day trade, we swing trade, and we invest. Everybody brings their ideas to the table. And as a community, we're running a virtual hedge fund together is what we're really doing. So this is kind of like an excerpt of what we do. And we were talking about this on the desk this morning and over the last couple of days. So as always, if you think about it that way, you're the portfolio manager of your own assets. So you have to take the information that I'm sharing and decide where it fits, if it does at all, in your portfolio. Does it fit your risk tolerance? Does it fit your goals? All those types of things are up to you. I'm just sharing information and I hope it helps you. If you enjoy this discussion, obviously you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay. So consider doing that. And if you want to share this video with someone you think would benefit from it, always don't forget, you can put the comments in the comment section and I'll answer any questions you have after we chat about this. So here we go. Number one chart of the day. It starts with a quick discussion of NVIDIA. NVIDIA had the blowout quarter right in here. Okay, that's the gap up on NVIDIA. So let's just shrink this down a little bit. Okay, NVIDIA's gap up is right in here. Then it makes a pennant as it digests what was a blowout quarter. And now it begins the second leg of the ascent. So there are many ideas that you can look at, SOXX being the ETF of all of these semiconductor companies, okay? And it has a big slug of NVIDIA in it. It's the largest position. You can see it's breaking out and it has the same type of chart pattern as NVIDIA. So there's a lot of great looking charts you could buy, right? I mean, we're out there long, MRVL. We think that's a great story. Some of you probably are taking a look at AMD. I'm not buying that, but ASML, some of the, equipment guys are breaking out, AVGO. These are all breaking out. But here's the question I have for you. I'm asking you to answer this question in your own mind, in your own time. Before you buy a single semiconductor company for a swing trade, ask yourself, do you think it's going to outperform the index by a factor of 3? Is it going to be up 300% above what the index is doing? Because if you can't look in the mirror and really believe that, if the answer is no, well, then you'll understand why we're buying shares of SOXL on our desk. SOXL is an ETF that gives us 3 times the performance of the semiconductor index. High risk, high reward, only meant for swing trading. I'm not going to carry this for a couple of years. If we want to talk about investing, I'm going to buy MRVL, which I did, okay? But if you're looking for a swing trade, which I am, I run my portfolio swing and invest. In my swing portfolio, if this is the right entry point, the risk monitor green, we have the algo entry point for all semiconductors, then I want an allocation to SOXL because this asset is going to give me close to 3 times the performance of SOXX. Okay. So SOX, SOXX, was up what? It was up 1.93% on the day. And SOXL was up 5.75%. Okay. At the end of the day, it was actually up 6. So that might be a late print. Yeah, that's a late print. So it was up over 6%. So 2% for SOXX, and it was up 6%. It's 3 times. Now, some of you have said to me, well, it'll deteriorate over time, blah, blah, blah. I get it. Anything using futures or options to create an enhanced performance deteriorates over time. This is not about investing, and you have to understand the risks when buying a triple ETF. Assuming you've done that, this is the number one trading, the number one stock on our trading desk. We bought the asset in here, just so you're aware. We're not buying it today. All right. If you want to join us and literally buy it the day we're buying it, then of course, what you want to do is subscribe and be part of our live trading desk all day. And I'll walk you through the algo entry point and why we're putting a position on. So we were doing that right in here, and now it's accelerating higher. This is really the breakout day today. So that's the number one trading stock on our desk today. I hope you find that helpful. It looks like there's a quick comment here. Big SOX gains today, no sleep. Yeah, man, it really worked. I hope you're in it with us. I look forward to seeing you all. Probably not tomorrow. It's Friday. I don't do the 4 o'clock video on Friday. I hit the beach on Friday at 4 o'clock. But I will see you guys on Sunday at 7 p.m. and we'll go over all the stocks to watch on our desk from our watch lists, the stocks that are in focus that we think are the top of our whiteboard, what I like to call top shelf, that we might be buying, and then stocks to buy, things that we've put into the portfolio and we've already said, yep, this is something we want to invest in or we want to swing trade. I'll share all of those thoughts with you Sunday night, 7 p.m. In the meantime, don't forget, you can join us on the desk for free for 5 days and see how we do this live and in real time. I look forward to seeing you all on the trading desk. Have a great